Minister Yogi Adityanath seems to have made a strong statement. This time he seems to have taken a jibe and has made a reference to Do Namune, apparently aimed at opposition leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, and has now drawn a sharp response from Akhilesh Yadav, who has twisted the Chief Minister's post to suggest that after this alleged power tussle within the BJP seems to be out in the open. Let's first listen in.
जो फोटो रिलीज हो रही है, देश के अंदर दो नमूने हैं, एक दिल्ली में और एक लखनऊ में बैठते हैं। जब देश में कोई चर्चा होती है तो तुरंत वह देश छोड़ करके भाग जाते हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि यही आपके बबुआ के साथ भी हो रहा होगा। वह भी देश से फिर जाएंगे इंग्लैंड की सैर सपाटे में, और आप लोग यहां चिल्लाते रहेंगे।
Well, in this video there, as far as Yogi Adityanath is seen speaking in the UP Assembly, the opposition which has tried to corner the government over the alleged smuggling of a cough syrup in UP and saying that timely action could have saved hundreds of children. But here, the Samajwadi Party, drawing a sharp response from Yogi Adityanath's statement, seems to have twisted the Chief Minister's post to suggest that there seems to be an alleged power tussle within the BJP, and according to them, it is out in the open. In the meantime, let's exactly put out, while Yogi Adityanath did not name anyone, the remark was seen as a jibe to leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav. But Akhilesh Yadav seems to have responded in the post there. Let's take a look exactly what he says, कि देश के अंदर दो नमूने, एक दिल्ली और एक लखनऊ में बैठे हैं, and that is the statement that was made by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. To which the former Chief Minister replies saying कि किसी की उम्मीद नहीं थी कि दिल्ली लखनऊ की लड़ाई जो यहाँ तक पहुंच जाएगी। संवैधानिक पदों पर बैठे लोग आपस में कुछ तो लोक लाज रखे और मर्यादा की सीमा ना लांगे। भाजपाई अपनी पार्टी के अंदर ही खींचातानी और के चौराहे पर ना लाए, और कहीं ये बुरा मान गए तो वापस जाना पड़ेगा. So he seems to be claiming that there are some rumblings within the party itself, and it is within the BJP that seems to be coming out in the open, a twist that he seems to be giving to the current Chief Minister's statement. We'll get you more political reactions building up back after a short break.